Hello, I'm Dr. Nakano. I'm an East Asian Studies faculty member, teaches Japanese language and culture, also like Asian culture. Did you know that this is the month of National Humanity Appreciation? Also, November 11th is the origami, a day for the origami. So today, I would like to make Hugh the Manatee, our College of Humanity mascot, with using the origami. So we are going to make the origami manatee. This is the finished product, and I will go step by step. So here's the origami paper, color side up, fold in half to make a triangle. Open it up, turn 90 degrees. This time, another crossing. So I made an X, and now flip it over. Bring this edge right onto the horizontal axle to make a skinny triangle, and the other side as well. Now fold this side, not to the middle, but kind of like right there. And now opening up these flaps, and this time bring this edge right onto the center, and the other side as well. And now I have to open it up again. So there is a kind of diamond shape, so fold that along the creased line and pinch the tip to go up straight, but then flat it down. Do the same thing the other side using the creased guideline, and pinch the tip and flat it. Okay, and now flip it over, and we will fold in a half. Maybe this way. Okay, now we want to make the tail. So hold this one right to touch the tip of the flap right there. Unfold it, and this is a little bit tricky because we want to fold it over the tail. Now take this tip all the way, not straight, but slightly upwards. And now this is the kind of tricky part. Unfold it and open the pocket right here, and using the crease line as a guideline to tuck the tip right inside of that. So that's kind of tricky part. Yeah. So when this is done, when you see the kind of pocket, you see the tip goes in there. So now we will take this flap and fold it a little bit to make the arm. Okay. So now the last to fold, we want to make the snout. So take the tip and fold it inside, and the other one too, to make the snout. And now you can kind of flatten the tail, and here's the Hugh the Manatee.